What's up my people and welcome back to Just a Coin. Yes, Grove token could be seeing a potential 800% increase in the near future. Even in this bear market, Grove may still crush its all-time high. If we have a look at the market chart for Grove token, Grove is currently sitting around the $61-62 million market cap. And the chart pattern right now is looking all too familiar. These two formations on Grove token are almost identical. And if a repeat was to occur, then that would result in over an 8 times in your investment from its current standing. If true, it is likely that Grove will remain bear and accumulate, and the major pump would occur around the middle of November. So what we can expect right now is that Grove will continue to accumulate between these two levels of support and resistance right here, between here and here. And as we are right now seeing that the trends are crossing and Grove is nearing that, so by tomorrow we can expect Grove to probably make a bit more of a drastic move, either in the positive or the negative. And once that happens, if Grove can still manage to stay above this level of support right here and accumulate right here, more than likely we will see Grove pump like crazy. The reason I also believe that Grove may reignite its prior bull run is because the market's charts pattern could also possibly replicate that of a double bottom pattern. As you can see, we have a bottom right here, and we're entering another bottom right here. It is common with trading that coins or stocks will fall from grace as it's done right here and reach the bottom where it did right here, where it will then pump up a little bit before falling back down to the prior level for a while and accumulate, and then jump back up like crazy. So like I said, if Grove can manage to hold the support line right here around the 1220 region and continue to accumulate in the coming days, I believe it's very possible that Grove will turn bullish again and pump even stronger than before, especially with the announcements in the coming weeks, which may facilitate this bullish movement even in this bear market. But just for the record, I'm not a financial advisor and it's not financial advice, so please do trade at your discretion. I'm only stating my views based off of my own research. Now, what are the announcements that I was referring to? Well, firstly, and arguably the biggest one, is a tweet released by Del Crypto. Del Crypto is at it again, as he states that his connection in the unnamed exchange has confirmed Grove's token next listing, and this exchange is the biggest one yet. This is leaving a lot to be desired right now for Grove. Grove's biggest exchange listing yet, I would say, will probably be Gate.io's. The listing that helped see Grove's recent bull run make over a 150% gain. Now, according to the top ranked exchanges on CoinMarketCap, above Gate.io being at number 6, there are possibly 5 that it could be: KuCoin, Kraken, FTX, Coinbase Exchange and Binance. And if you watched my last video on Grove, then there's one name again that seems all too convenient, and that is of course KuCoin. I suspect that KuCoin will be Grove's next exchange, and when that happens, Grove's market will shoot up drastically again. But what do you guys think? Do you agree with my prediction? And if not, what exchange do you think Grove will be added to next? And if Grove was to make a return to its current all-time high, being just before the 0.4 region up here, Grove could be seen potentially over a 200% gain. Furthermore, supposedly Grove will be listed on 2 top tier central exchanges, not just 1. When they will be officially announced is unknown as of right now, but it's safe to say that these announcements alone would be enough to facilitate Grove's bullish movement again. And that's not all. As I mentioned in my last video, John G has a meeting with a very reputable blockchain CEO, and it is very likely that we'll be listing Grove token on a 3rd blockchain, creating a push for wider availability, so stay tuned for more, ladies and gentlemen. And to top it all off, that Jane King interview that was expected to take place sometime last week, we have confirmation now that the interview will be taking place on the 2nd of November. An interview with over 280 million people watching. You better believe the Grove token will attract major investors from this interview, I am sure. So that is another thing for us to be looking forward to. And it's more than just an interview. We'll be sharing the Grove token ad that will be on the Business TV, channels that air new to the street for 12 months, for a whole year, guys. Everyone is going to know about Grove's project and the power of green crypto soon. And that is it for all the announcements today, guys. So if you want to keep up to date with all the hottest new crypto coins that are going to catastrophically blow up and make you the most gains possible, then please feel free to subscribe to my channel, like the video and drop a comment down below on your thoughts and what coin you'd like to see next. But remember guys, it's just a coin, and I'll see you in the next video.